everybody? Having a happy summer? I know I am. But welcome to another awesome summer-tastic episode of Master Designs. And that's right, folks. I'm always here, and I'm making this summer the best I've ever had. I know, because I've been to the beach, I've been to Coney Island, I went fishing. This summer cannot get any better. Oh wait, it can! And it's never gonna stop getting better. Tonight we're gonna draw Wishiwashi, one of my favorite and one of the best Pokemon from the Alola region. Wishiwashi, also known as the small fry Pokemon, is a water type. If Wishiwashi looks like it's about to cry, watch out. The light that shines from its watering eyes draw an entire group, and they band together to fight off their opponents with sheer strength of numbers. And wow, Wishiwashi is one awesome Pokemon, and one of my favorites. Alright, let's get started. First, we're going to start with the Giant's form. Here's the gills. There we go. There's the head. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here are the gills here. Here are the lights under. Here are the lights under his jaws. Wow, he looks like Dunkleosteus. Well, a little bit, but not exactly. I've seen Dunkleosteus before, and I'm starting to realize that Dunkleosteus might have had the ability to glow in the dark. That's actually a really cool power. Wouldn't it be awesome if prehistoric fish had the power to glow in the dark? Awesome. Oh yeah, and there's fact. There we go. Here's the big fin. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
go. Now we just draw the other side. There we go. There we go. Hold on. Alexa, play Bikini Bottom Day.
Here's Bikini Bottom Day by Company of SpongeBob SquarePants, the new musical on Amazon Music.
Good morning, world. I'm all cool and happy.
There we go.
Jump out of bed, mix up a breakfast for my favorite pets.
Here are the two fish shapes in his on his back.
SSIM ready is about
He looks a little bit like Lezic Bees and Megalodon fused.
this kind of day. Couldn't get much better, but it keeps on trying. Yeah, I'm on my way. Somewhere there's a Krabby Patty that needs frying. And who's the lucky sponge in the mirror who is living his dream? Who's always extra careful with his dental hygiene? Gary, it's me. Happy just to be here in the world renowned. Bikini Bottom, how I love this town. Bikini Bottom when the sun shines down on a beautiful Bikini Bottom day. Good morning, Patrick.
Is it morning already?
Here's his tail.
And I'm singing an opening number.
Oh, I want a verse. I missed a snack. This busy schedule makes it hard to be me. To stay on track, now I'll have to eat it while I'm watching TV. There might not be time for a nap, but I'll do what I can. They're showing all the episodes of Mermaid Man. Oh, every single one. I'm spending all day underneath my favorite rock.
Bikini Bottom.
Now it rhymes with rock.
Bikini Bottom.
Nothing rhymes with rock. It's a typical Bikini Bottom day.
Would you two please keep it down?
Good morning, Squidward.
Another day, another migraine. When I want some quiet, there's nowhere to go.
A sensitive artiste can't get a moment's peace with these two idiots.
There he is.
Stereo.
The full-scale model of Wishiwashi. Well, actually, it's a complete picture of Wishiwashi. I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to show you what it originally looks like on the top. We're going to draw really, really small. So, try not to grasp your... Prepare to be in awe.
It's just a little smoke, a minor setback. A few more hours at most, and I'll be done with this here brand new jetpack. And then this Texas squirrel, this country girl, will spread her wings and fly. Her bushy tail, a comet's trail, clear across the sky. Above the town and looking down on a typical Bikini Bottom day.
There we go.
Bye, Sandy. I'm off to work. Krusty Krab.
Ah, yes. Bikini Bottom's most popular dining establishment. Home to the Krabby Patty. Owned and operated by Mr. Eugene Krabs. And across town, the least popular restaurant, the Chum Bucket.
Here we go.
Run by Sheldon J. Plankton. Two arch nemesis locked
There's
in
the
a
eye,
fast,
star-shaped.
Cold War.
His star-shaped eye.
Friends from the west
Everywhere you look, the skies are clear and sunny. Good weather's best when you're in the mood to make a ton of money. Laugh while you can, until the day you laugh no more forever.
Last but not least,
Got a plan,
we draw the big fin on his
and I
back.
call it so you know it's clever.
And this thing.
They say that money doesn't matter if you love your work. Ha! Who would say that? Probably some penniless jerk. Soon the day will come when they're all up chum. It's
There
just
he
a
is.
matter of
The full-scale model of Wishiwashi.
till I get
There we go. That's what he looks like in both forms.
and the sound is all mine. Just a
His possible moves are Water Gun, Growl, Helping Hand, Feint Attack, Brine, Aqua Ring, Tearful Look, Takedown, Dive, Beat Up, Aqua Tail, Double Edge, Soak, Endeavor, and Hydro Pump.
darling daughter.
And that's him, the almighty Wishiwashi.
I'll start his manager. But I have my
Anyways, I've got more Pokemon like this coming
She
soon,
doesn't want to be manager.
and
I know someone who
got a
would be
few
good for the job.
ideas that'll surely
You're just a wee simple
make your
sponge.
eyes
Right,
open.
that's all you'll ever be.
Anyways,
I wore my good
that's how you draw
shoes
Wishiwashi. Please like and rock and subscribe, and let me know what type of Alolan Pokemon you want me to draw next,
Am I just a
because I'm never gonna stop. Can't wait to see more like this. Stegosaurus, see you later.
I could do it.